Oh, those are the cackling ones.
Cacklers and honkers.
Shorter neck.
That's so cool.
O-I-N.
Yay!
Whidbey TV.
Yeah. I saw the cacklers.
Now then, you're part of the Christmas Bird Count. Yeah!
It's just so much fun to get a kind of snapshot every year of the bird life around here and be with my friends and just enjoy the day.
The bird count's a chance for me to get out with the experts and learn more about identifying the birds and listening. A great way to learn. I love if I can identify a bird by listening, that's great.
I am in the Audubon Bird class, and the people that are handling the class this year are Jay Adams and Ruth Richardson, and Jay is an expert birder, and he asked me to join his team, and I said I'd be happy to be the scribe. It's a Christmas bird count, so we have to monitor what species we see and make an actual count. So I said, okay, I'm a novice, so I can learn if I keep count, right? Okay.
Nice.
A lot of people ask me, you know, are you afraid you'll count the same bird twice? Or you can't count all the birds, and it's true, we can't. It's very rural down here. But what we're doing, and this is really where the CBC shines, we're getting a snapshot and a sample of that overall population. So because of that, and year after year after year, we can start seeing trends of different species increasing and or others decreasing. Anybody can join. Many times it's just, what's that in the sky? Just another pair of eyes or someone to help tally, drive, you know. Of course, you know, expert birders are also always welcome. I love Whidbey Island. I grew up on Whidbey Island. I'm vested in this island and the ecological health of our surroundings and ecosystem. And birds are just a way to mark ecological health. And by doing surveys and the census of birds, we get an idea of, you know, how the population is and how we can keep Whidbey the special place that it is.